Just how did I get this fluffy Bantu knot out on my fine hair? Stick around and you'll see. I'm working on stretched hair, which I shampooed the day before. I used the L'Oreal Everstrong hair thickening shampoo followed by the thickening conditioner, and together they really beef up my fine hair. And here I'm just sectioning my hair to begin the Bantu knots. I almost forgot to mention I'm using Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle as my styler. It worked very well on my flat twist out, and the jar states it can be used for flat twists and Bantu knots as well. So I figured, why not try it? Okay, so I'm putting in my very last Bantu knot, and what I meant to tell you is that if you're installing Bantu knots overnight like I am, and you're expecting to get a great night's sleep, don't count on it. I've done Bantu knots before. It's been a few years, and I think the very first time I did them, it was during the daytime, and I just sat under my hooded dryer. My hair was quite a bit shorter, and it was all brand new, so I was okay with whatever. But when I got a little bit more experience and did a Bantu knots to leave in overnight, it did not feel good. So I hope that I have a good night's sleep tonight. But with all these little horns, cute little horns sticking out of my head, I don't know. Okay, so I also want to tell you, for another alternative to using the bob pins to secure your Bantu knots, if you want to secure them a little bit more, feel free to use a tiny elastic. So that's what I've done on a few of these in the top, and I'm doing it on this one here on the side. All right, all of my Bantu knots are in, and I have a total of 11. And not too tight. And my bonnet. My hair is so fluffy and it looks so thick thanks to the thickening shampoo. It's light and it has lots of body. If you want to learn more of my fluffy hair tips, go ahead and subscribe so you'll never miss a video. See you next time, and remember to keep it naturally corporate.